Welcome to Green Tech Goals, your go-to hub for the latest breakthroughs in environmental technology. Today we delve into the heart of a global challenge that's been tugging at the strings of our planet's health: plastic pollution. Plastic, once hailed as a marvel of modern convenience, has become a nemesis of nature. Around the world, we produce over 300 million tons of plastic each year. That's equivalent to the weight of the entire human population. Shocking, isn't it? The impact of this plastic tide is far-reaching and devastating. More than 8 million tons of it end up in our oceans each year, wreaking havoc on marine life and ecosystems. Seabirds, whales, turtles, and other marine life are dying at an alarming rate, their stomachs filled with plastic debris. And it's not just our oceans. Our lands are also suffocating under the weight of plastic waste. From the highest mountains to the most remote islands, not a single corner of our planet is immune to the plastic plague. But it's not just about the visible damage. Plastic pollution also contributes significantly to climate change. From the extraction of raw materials to the production and disposal of plastic products, every stage in the plastic life cycle releases harmful greenhouse gases, accelerating global warming. Despite the grim picture, there's a glimmer of hope. Projects such as the Ocean Cleanup are making tremendous strides in battling this issue. They aim to extract plastic from our seas and rivers, preventing further harm to our marine life. Yet a significant portion of this recovered plastic is unrecyclable, leaving us with the question, what do we do with it? But what if there was a way to turn this plastic menace into something valuable? Stay tuned to find out. Imagine transforming the mountains of plastic waste into a resource. It's not a fantasy, it's pyrolysis. Pyrolysis, a process as intriguing as its name, is a technological breakthrough that's turning the tables on plastic waste. The concept is simple yet revolutionary. Instead of letting plastic waste pile up in our landfills or incinerating it, contributing to carbon emissions, why not convert it back into oil? Now let's delve into the science behind pyrolysis. Picture this. Plastic waste is heated to high temperatures in a nitrogen-filled furnace. This triggers a splitting of the chemical components of the plastic materials. The resulting gas is then condensed into what we call pyrolysis oil. This oil can serve as an impressive additive in fuel or even be used to create new plastic products. Take the Replastic project in Denmark, for instance. It's a shining example of this technology in action. Initially, it was believed that plastic waste needed to be thoroughly sorted and cleaned before the pyrolysis process could take place. But the Replastic project has shown that pyrolysis can handle impurities in mixed and dirty plastic waste. And the benefits, they are twofold. Pyrolysis not only offers a solution to the growing plastic waste problem, but it also reduces our dependency on non-renewable raw materials like oil and natural gas. By recycling more plastic waste, we can make the plastic production process more sustainable. But of course, a question lingers. How does this technology fare on a larger scale? Well, the answer is promising. The technology has been successfully used in a commercial facility in West Zealand, Denmark. It's scalable, and it's attracting investors. The construction of an industrial pyrolysis facility is a testament to its potential. But how effective is this on a commercial scale? We'll delve into that next. From theory to practice, let's explore how pyrolysis is changing the game in Denmark. An innovative approach to recycling pyrolysis has made headway in the realm of sustainable solutions. The technology has been successfully implemented in a commercial facility in West Zealand, Denmark, turning the tide in the fight against plastic waste. This process, as we now know, involves heating plastic waste to high temperatures in a nitrogen-filled furnace. The heat triggers a chemical reaction that splits the components of the plastic materials. The resulting gas is then condensed into pyrolysis oil, a valuable resource that can be used as an additive in fuel or as the basis for new plastic products. Initially, it was thought that the plastic waste needed to be thoroughly sorted and cleaned before the pyrolysis process could begin. But in the Replastic project, led by DTU Chemical Engineering, it was discovered that the technology can handle impurities in mixed and dirty plastic waste. It's a game changer, not just for the recycling industry, but for our planet. This technology is not just effective, it's scalable. This scalability has led to the construction of an industrial pyrolysis facility. It's a beacon of hope in the quest for sustainability. By recycling more plastic waste, we reduce the need for non-renewable raw materials like oil and natural gas, making the plastic production process more sustainable. But the road to sustainability is not always smooth. The potential role of pyrolysis technology in the waste system depends on various factors, including material choices, waste management, and the reuse of waste as raw materials for industries. It's a complex web of decisions and actions, all aimed at achieving one goal: a sustainable future. But is this technology accessible for all? Uncover the challenges in our next segment. Scene script. Pyrolysis is promising, but not without hurdles. Let's navigate through these challenges. Like any groundbreaking technology, pyrolysis has its own set of obstacles. The first one is cost. Building a pyrolysis facility is a significant investment, and operating it requires continuous funding. But remember, cost should not be viewed as a burden, but rather as an investment in a cleaner future. The returns on this investment are priceless, a healthier planet for us and future generations. Next, we have infrastructure. Pyrolysis facilities require specific conditions to operate effectively. The infrastructure must be tailored to handle the immense heat and unique processes involved in pyrolysis. But with the right planning and engineering, these facilities can be integrated seamlessly into our existing waste management systems. Then there's the challenge of sorting and cleaning plastic waste. Initially, it was believed that the plastic waste needed to be thoroughly sorted and cleaned before the pyrolysis process. But the Replastic project has shown that pyrolysis technology can handle impurities in mixed and dirty plastic waste. This breakthrough significantly simplifies the process and makes it more feasible. So how do we overcome these hurdles? One word: cooperation. We need international cooperation to pool resources, share knowledge, and build the required infrastructure. Investment is key here. Both private and public sectors need to understand the potential of pyrolysis and contribute to its development. Improved waste management is another solution. If we can manage our waste more effectively, we can feed more plastic into pyrolysis facilities, reducing the amount of plastic that ends up in our rivers and oceans. In brief, the challenges are many, but the solutions are within our reach. All it takes is a collective effort, a shared vision, and the courage to invest in a better future. So what can you do to support this green revolution? Find out in our final chapter. Scene script. Every monumental change starts with individual action. You hold the power to make a difference. Imagine the world where the plastic you once threw away could now be used to fuel our future. A world where the burden of plastic waste is a thing of the past. That world is not as far-fetched as it may seem. Through the innovative technology of pyrolysis, we are one step closer to turning this vision into reality. But this technology is only as effective as the amount of plastic we provide it. This is where you come in. You see, every plastic bottle you choose to recycle rather than throw away, every plastic bag you decide to reuse, and every plastic straw you reject adds up. These small actions collectively make a big difference. They supply the pyrolysis facilities with the raw materials they need to convert waste into oil, reducing the demand for non-renewable resources and cutting down our carbon emissions. But reducing our plastic use is just as important. By choosing products with less packaging, opting for reusable items, and supporting businesses that prioritize sustainability, we can lessen the amount of plastic that ends up in our oceans, landfills, and pyrolysis facilities. Remember, the best waste is the waste we never create. Supporting technologies like pyrolysis doesn't just mean recycling more and using less plastic. It also means advocating for these solutions. Share this video, talk about pyrolysis with your friends and family, and let your local leaders know that you support sustainable initiatives. Your voice matters and can inspire others to join the movement. We are on the cusp of a sustainable revolution, where the seemingly impossible becomes possible, where our waste becomes our wealth. But this revolution can only happen if we all take part. The choices we make today determine the state of our planet tomorrow, so let's choose wisely. Remember, every piece of plastic you recycle could fuel our future, not pollute it. Let's create a cleaner, greener world together. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey through the world of pyrolysis. Your commitment to understanding and potentially participating in this revolutionary environmental solution is the first step towards a cleaner, greener world. But our journey doesn't end here. Stay tuned to Green Tech Goals as we delve into more exciting breakthroughs in environmental technology. We promise to bring you the latest, most innovative solutions that are shaping our planet's future. Remember, we're all in this together. Every step we take, every choice we make, contributes to the well-being of our environment. So let's continue to educate ourselves, make conscious decisions, and work together to ensure a sustainable future for all. Thank you for watching Green Tech Goals. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, keep recycling, keep reducing, and keep reusing. Together we can turn the tide on plastic pollution and fuel a future that's cleaner and greener.